Alright, welcome to today's video. Today we're replacing the intakes on this Stinger, Kia Stinger. Also we're doing some other stuff, but this video is specifically for the intakes. So you can see we removed the front bumper. You don't have to remove the front bumper because all you have to do is access this bolt and this bolt, and they pop out of those two little holes up top. So you can get to those, pop that out, and just slide these out. So that's the first thing we're gonna do, remove those bars. Let's get it. Ready? Okay, so I always look at the diagram like this, because this way you can tell what you gotta remove. So we gotta remove the pipes that go to the turbo, and then we also just take off the little hoses from each one. So over here, we're gonna get down and dirty down there somewhere, and then we're gonna get the the hoses off of here on both sides. Let's get the hoses off. Take off the clips around the box. There's 4 of them. Get this loose, and then take this bolt off and this bolt off, and this whole thing should come out. Let's get it. There was actually 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. Another one was right there on top of here. So now we have access to the bolt down here that we need to take out. That's the turbo right down there, right here. And then see it right there. Take that out and pop this whole thing off. Let's get it. After removing that pipe, I noticed that there's another hose here. So I'm gonna take it off from this side right here. Let's get it. Also notice this other hose here going down there. All right, after removing that pipe, then we're gonna continue to the other side and start removing same thing, air box, which we're gonna do differently this time. We're gonna just take this top off and then the bolts around it, slide that whole thing out. Let's get it. Once that out, you just get to this side easier because there's not a lot of hoses over there. So you can see the differences. There's a few AC hoses on the way this side, but we're straight. So let's get it, keep going, take this side off. Same thing, there's a hose up here going to this. I don't know what the hell they are. They're probably the ball valves or something. All right, with those hoses removed, now we can start the install of the K&N filter. That's what we're installing today, as you guys saw earlier. So here are all the parts. And yeah, it's not that bad of a task. Getting those things out are a little task, but with enough patience and some WD-40 or some type of lubricant, you can get them out. So let's get it. Let's install the new ones. So these things are the blow valves. I just saw because I see the charge pipes in there. Yep. So that's the way it is. It's like it's pretty cool actually. Goes in there, out through here, and boom. Sick design. I don't know. You think this thing will fit on a Genesis? Maybe. It's crazy. We'll find out though. Let's get it. All right, next for this K&N filter, we're going to install those rubber pieces on these shields. So this should look like this. Ready? There you go, guys. That's how it's supposed to look. Make sure you work these corners in there so it doesn't pop out. So that's my best advice to you guys. All the corners, try to press them in there. The whole thing, press it in there, but especially those corners, try to get those in. Next, we're gonna be installing the filters and these pieces here. So let's get that done next. Ready? There you guys have it. Filters installed. Those type of hardware has the Allen key, and it's a T4, I believe, or a 4mm. Tying them bad boys up, and then there's an 8 right here, and then this goes on this side. So now let's do the other side, which is right here, and install everything. Let's get it. All right. So since we're working on this car and we like to be clean, I'm gonna clean off this engine bay real quick. Ready? There you go, guys. Engine bay is cleaned up a little bit, as much as I could, made everything look better, less dustier. So now we're gonna install the couplers here on the turbo side, inlet side, on both sides. So let's get it. Ready? All right, guys, so once those things are installed, those couplers, now we're gonna install these bad boys on each side here. Ready? There you go, guys. Filters are installed. Now let's put in the piping. Let's get it. So actually, with this piping, I'm gonna show you guys what we gotta do, so you guys can just do it yourself. We're going to just take these pipings out, and we're gonna prepare them. So this one doesn't need much preparedness, but we are reusing the hoses, the big fat hoses that came off the blow valves. I think this car would sound better without them. But let's get it. Let's transfer the hoses over here and prepare them. Ready? There you go, guys. So I put all the hoses on there, and that's how they go. So now let's install this in the car. What do you guys say? Ready? There you guys have it. Intakes are installed. Fresh. Everything's mounted, secured. So let's get it. Let's put the bumper back on. Ready? There you go, guys. Finished product. The bars there, intakes. Thing looks fresh. Comment below if you like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you guys can get more updates on all crazy stuff I got going on over here. So that being said, let's get it.